Prior to working with HRS, we were taking care of payroll. We were taking care of billing. We were running it all. Well, what was happening is Katrina was working 15 to 16-hour days. We have, at that time, had 3 children. I wasn't sleeping. My own personal health started taking a hit. Every adjective you can throw in there about anxiety was hitting me all at once, all of the time.
You can feel kind of like you're in it by yourself.
It's hard being in private practice. You know, there's a lot of stuff that's going against us right now.
You've got this great idea and it's going to be awesome. You've got this degree and you're going to help a lot of people. And then you realize that having a business is so much more than just treating the patients.
It's impossible for one person to keep up on all of that and try to be a clinician and try to have a family and juggle all of those aspects of life.
That's really the key, where HRS comes along beside you and trains you in how to run the business.
From 40 to 60 visits to a week to talking about 700 visits per week, 3 clinics, and discussions about opening our 4th one in a year or 2.
5 years ago, I didn't have a clinic, and I grew it to 4.
It really makes a world of difference, and not only just by seeing more patients, it's by having a quality of life as an owner. It's by spending time with your kids, spending time personally, being able to help better your own health.
I was one of 3 hires, and then within 4 years we were able to grow that to 4 clinics, employing 35 people, you know, and positively impacting over 600 patients' lives a week. That's crazy, right?
You know, going from, oh, just me as a little therapist in this clinic to now having 8 other therapists, 2 clinic locations, and really looking at how seamless in a lot of ways that went and how well controlled that process was in a very short period of time. That's surprising to me.
For me to try to do that with a 2-year-old practice, it never would have happened without HRS. Like Blaine and Ryan, having the ability to step in and kind of help juggle things with me and take some of the load off my plate has been invaluable.
Their proven track record too, for me, was what sold me on it.
In talking with Blaine, every company that they've partnered with has been successful.
Understand there's a reason why they're so successful and why their partners are so successful.
HRS provides all of the nitty-gritty. So as a clinician too, I think most of us get into the physical therapy practice because we want to treat patients and we want to help people and we want to build this collaborative environment.
It still allows you to do what you love. I love being a physical therapist.
I don't think any of us get into PT to go, I want to learn how to bill and I want to learn about insurance compliance. That's not what excites us. So HRS takes care of those things and really allows you to focus on managing your practice and building your team.
That is my focus, is how do I get my patients better? I don't have to worry about all those other things.
If you can have someone who comes in alongside of you and partners with you to help you on that running the business side, then you can truly enjoy more the helping the patient side of things.
As a therapist, you're focused on wanting to help people genuinely. And if that's what you're able to do, then it's, from my perspective, it's a slam dunk.
And that passion that HRS has, the team at HRS has.
It's an addictive culture to be a part of.
To have partners to talk to about those things and to have a team, you know, have the HRS team to work through, you know, a specialist in each of those different areas if you're struggling.
We have a Medicare expert on the HRS team. We have billing experts on our team. We have documentation experts on our team. I don't mean people that are good at it, that went to a class one weekend. I mean experts that are fantastic.
Every team member at HRS is vested in your success.
Because HRS is run by physical therapists and your mentors are physical therapists, they can always give you that insight.
Keep the care in healthcare. When it comes to health benefits, matching 401k, continuing education, mentorship, and that's all made available because of my partnership with HRS.
If you're waiting for your finances to be right or your family life to calm down, you're gonna wait for a very long time. You'll talk yourself out of it.
Don't even hesitate. You know, do it as soon as you can.
You gotta take the risk and jump and know that you're gonna be fine.
If you have any bit of interest in it, if you have any bit of like, I wonder what this is about, just take the time to find out more.
It is so worth it once you do take that step.
You don't do success alone. You have parents, spouses, business partners, coworkers, teammates. And successful people tend to surround themselves with other people that make them better.
If you have HRS, they know what's coming. They've already opened, helped us with our 3 clinics. They've already opened other clinics from scratch. They know what's coming, and they're there to counsel, help, direct, consult you in the right direction.
HRS is amazing, and I have so much faith that they can get anybody to any point, but that person's got to be willing to put in the time up front to make it happen.